What's up?
Hello. What's your talent?
I can do the SpongeBob laugh.
Oh, okay, all right.
Alright, let me hear this. Let me hear this.
Josh, how old are you?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh,
How old do you think he is, Millie?
Oh no!
I'd say above 40.
How many Romanians would have moved to the UK if Brexit didn't happen?
Oh my god.
Okay, Josh, you are next.
Yes. Oh no.
Yo, where is Zach?
You're already here.
Yeah.
You don't need to be so try-hard.
It's in my name, sir. Look. If you're telling me I've superglued a butt plug onto Mr. Potato Head for no fucking reason.
That is.